Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the headlight washing system on Volkswagen Tiguan. If you have original equipment, stay with us, we'll explain guys about that. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until we watch that video. It could be quite simple fix after that. Guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. For the headlight washing system guys, we need to check 2 fuses, 1 relay, where they're located. Most people will assume that's actually under the hood. When you open the hood guys, here on the driver's side, facing the engine on the right side, on the driver's side, you have a fuse box that has a layout like this one here. But for a big surprise, okay, it's not here. The relays and the fuses are hidden. We'll talk about that. Come on the driver's side, on the left side of the steering wheel underneath, you're going to have one guys hidden fuse box right here. Okay, some relays, and you have many hidden relays on the back side right here. If you want to see how to get to them, how to remove that panel where all hidden fuses and relays are located, we have a video that's called VW Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Video will be on the channel, check it out. Oh, by the way, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them guys to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So guys, 2 fuses will need to be checked if you have that system. We don't have original system with headlight washing system, but if you do, you're going to have fuse number 39 right here. The fuse number will be above the fuse, so fuse number 39, and you will have most likely fuse number 53 right here as well, these 2 fuses. Now here the relays that are in the back guys, okay, right here in the back side you have a panel of relays. I want to show you what it looks like, okay. We took a picture of it so you can clearly see it. Okay, it looks like this one right here. Okay, and here specifically guys, you will need to check, okay, that's the diagram. You will need to check for the headlight washing system, you have relay number 6 right here. That's the relay number 6 that you will need to check. Those are the main fuses and relays for the headlight washing system on Volkswagen Tiguan. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.